I made it to the end of the street. It's I don't know, about 4:30 in the afternoon. There's Dune, snow blowing. You can see his head. I haven't plowed the street. Probably won't for quite a while. I heard on Facebook that we weren't getting mail delivery today either. Look at all that snow he's shoveling. I'd love to wait for it to melt. And then there's Eugene and Kathy. They're all shoveled out. Hey! And then there's us. Things that we have to sacrifice for privacy. A nice flag lot in the back. A long ass driveway. It goes downhill. Or uphill, whichever way you're coming. Okay, time to charge it back. I'm gonna go have a martini.